Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exclusive behind the scene look at a tomato sauce factory. Have you ever wondered how that delicious tomato sauce end up on your pasta? Well, you are about to find out. Let's dive into this interesting world of tomato sauce production. Our journey began in the vast tomato field, where thousands of ton tomato are carefully grown and harvested to their peak of ripeness. These tomatoes are heart and soul of the tomato sauce that we love. The harvested tomatoes are then transferred to the factory, where they go through an attentive and sorting process. Any damaged and unripe tomato are removed and leaving only the best on. After sorting, they are washed throughout the removed dirty and waste. Next, a tomato are blended in a hot water, a process that makes peeling a blow. The heat released to the tomato skin and they are easily removed the peeling machine. Once the tomato is peeled, the tomatoes are sent through the cashing machine to break them down into this pulp. This pulp is foundation of tomato sauce. The tomato pulp is then heated in an enormous kettle. Here the various flavor and ingredient is added to create this significant tomato sauce flavor. This recipe is closely secret for each factory. As the sauce is boiled, it reduces in the volume and intensify its flavor. Depending on the type of sauce being made, quality control is very important. Samples are regularly checked and ensure the sauce meet the high standard. This including checking the taste, quality and consistency. Once the sauce passes the inspection, it's ready for packing, whether in a glass jar, can or other container. The sauce is carefully filled and sealed and labeled. Before shipping, the packing tomato sauce undergoes the sterilization process. This extent of shelf life and ensure it's safe for using up. And now the finest tomato sauce is ready to distribute to store and kitchen. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video is interesting, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks again.